This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Audi Q7 oil level. First, make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, level surface. It's important that the engine has reached its normal operating temperature before you begin. After driving, turn off the engine and wait for about 2 minutes. This allows the oil to drain back into the oil pan, ensuring an accurate reading. Most newer Audi Q7 models do not have a physical dipstick, so you'll use the multimedia interface, or MMI system. With the engine off, turn on the ignition without starting the car. Then, access the MMI system. Navigate to the car or vehicle menu, then select Servicing and Checks, and finally, Oil Level. The display will show your current oil level. The MMI display will show a digital reading of your engine oil level. If the bar is near the minimum mark, you need to add oil. It's best to add oil in small increments, such as 1/2 liter at a time, and then recheck the level. Overfilling can cause engine damage, so proceed carefully. Always use the manufacturer-recommended oil type and specification. Regularly checking your oil level, perhaps every 1,000 to 2,000 miles, is crucial for engine health. If an oil level warning appears in your instrument cluster, it means the oil level is critically low, and you should add oil immediately. Always ensure the bonnet is closed before rechecking the MMI display after adding oil. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Maintaining the correct oil level helps prevent potential engine damage and ensures smooth performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.